Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the 10th standard maths, lesson 1, relations and functions. Relations. Let A and B be any two non-empty set. A relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B, satisfying some specified conditions if X belongs to A is related to Y belongs to B through R. Then we write it as X relation Y, X relation Y if and only if X comma Y belongs to R. A relation which contains no elements is called a null relation. The next point, if n of A is equal to P, n of B is equal to Q, then the total number of relations that exist between A and B is 2 power PQ. Now I explain exercise 1.2. In first one, let A set contains 4 elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 7, and B contains 4 elements, that is 3, 0, minus 1, 7. Which of the following are relation from A to B? Relation 1, 2, 1, 7, 1. Relation 2, minus 1, 1. Relation 3, 2, minus 1, 7, 7, 1, 3. Relation 4, 7, minus 1, 0, 3, 3, 3, 0, 7. A solution, given A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 7, B set contains 3, 0, minus 1, 7. We find the Cartesian product of A and B. So A cross B is equal to, we find the set of ordered pair. We have first element 1 in set A in 1, 3, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, 7. The next element we take 2, 2, 3, 2, 0, 2, minus 1, 2, minus 7. In third element we take in A set, we have the ordered pair 3, 3, 3, 0, 3, minus 1, 3, 7. The fourth element we take in A set 7, 3, 7, 0, 7, minus 1, 7, 7. So the first one, relation 1 given 2, 1, 7, 1. Here 2, 1 belongs to relation 1, but 2, 1 not belongs to A cross B. So 2, 1 is not there in A Cartesian product of A and B set. So R1 is not a relation from A to B. The second one, relation 2 given minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1 belongs to R2, but minus 1, 1 not belongs to A cross B. So R2 is not a relation from A to B. In third one given R3 is equal to 2, minus 1, 7, 7, 1, 3. We note that all the ordered pair is in Cartesian product, so in A cross B. So R3 subset of A cross B. So R3 is a relation from A to B. In fourth one, R4 given 7, minus 1, 0, 3, 3, 3, 0, 7. Here 0, 3, 0, 7 belongs to R4 but not in A cross B. So R4 is not a relation. Second one, let A set contains 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 45 and R be the relation defined as is square of on A. So write R as a subset of A cross A. Also find the domain and range of R. Given A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 45. Given the relation R is square of. So between 1 and 45, between the square number is 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25, 6 square is equal to 36. So clearly all the elements is in A set. So R is a subset of A. Here domain is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That square number is range, that is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Third one, a relation R is given by the set x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 3. X belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Determine its domain and range. Given the relation is equal to x comma y, where y is equal to x plus 3, that x elements belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the given relation is y is equal to x plus 3. We substitute in x equal to 0, we have 0 plus 3 equal to 3. We substitute 1 in y equal to x plus 3, we have y is equal to 1 plus 3 equal to 4. X equal to 2, y is equal to 2 plus 3 equal to 5. X equal to 4, y is equal to 4 plus 3 equal to 7. X equal to 5, y is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So we have the ordered pair, set of ordered pair is 0, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 8. Here the domain is in the x elements in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That range is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In fourth one, represent each of the given relations by an arrow diagram, a graph, and a set in roster form wherever possible. In first one, the set of ordered pair x comma y, that x is equal to 2y, x belongs to 2, 3, 4, 5, y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. The first one solution is the given pair x comma y, that x is equal to 2y, x belongs to 2, 3, 4, 5, y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here first we draw the arrow diagram. Here we substitute y is equal to 1, we have x is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Next y is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 into 2 equal to 4. Substitute y equal to 3 in x, so x equal to 2 into 3 equal to 6. Substitute y equal to 4 in x is equal to 2 into 4 equal to 8. So we draw the arrow diagram. Here is in the domain 2, 3, 4, 5. The x is set in domain, then y set is codomain, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the relation is 1, 2, so 1, 2. Then next one is 2, 4. This is the relation of. The next one, how to draw the graph. This is the x-axis. We draw the y-axis. Then point at this point 2, 1. Here 4, 2. This is a graph. We write in a set in roster form. Only the range is 2 pairs. Here 2, 1, 4, 2. This is a set in the roster form. Second one, in set of ordered pair x, y, here y is equal to x plus 3. Then x, y are natural numbers less than 10. So we write arrow diagram. Natural numbers less than 10 means natural numbers starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Also codomain also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here y is equal to x plus 3. We substitute x equal to 1. We have 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So 1, 4. We substitute y equal to 2. 2 plus 3, 5. So 2, 5. We substitute 3 in y. Y is equal to 3 plus 3, 6. So 3, 6. So we substitute x equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 plus 3, 7. We substitute 5. 5 plus 3, 8. We substitute 6. 6 plus 3, 9. This is the arrow diagram. Next one, how to draw the graph. This is, we have the x-axis, we have the y-axis. Here we put the point in 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 8, 6, 9. All the ordered pair plotted in this graph. The next one, a set in roster form. A set in roster form, write in within the brackets. The set of ordered pair is 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 8, 6, 9. In exercise 1.2, fifth one, a company has 4 categories of employees given by assistants A, clerk C, managers M, and an executive officer E. The company provides rupees 10,000, rupees 25,000, rupees 50,000, and rupees 1 lakh as salaries to the people who work in the category assistant, clerk, manager, and executive respectively. If A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 were assistants, C1, C2, C3, C4 were clerks, M1, M2, M3 were managers, and E1, E2 were executive officers, and if the relation R is defined by X relation Y, where X is the salary given to person Y, express the relation R through an ordered pair and an arrow diagram. The fifth one solution is, first, how to write in ordered pair. Here 10,000 A1, 10,000 A2, 10,000 A3, 10,000 A4, 10,000 A5, 25,000 clerk 1, 25,000 clerk 2, 25,000 clerk 3, 25,000 clerk 4. 50,000 managers, 50,000 managers, 50,000 manager 3. Then 1 lakhs executive, 1 lakhs executive 2. This is in set of writing ordered pair. The next one, arrow diagram. The salaries is in A set domains, in categories is codomain. Here 10,000 map with A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. 25,000 map with C1, C2, C3, C4. 50,000 map with M1, M2, M3. 1 lakhs map with E1, E2. This is the answer for arrow diagram. Thank you.